What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, with Floyd Shivambu, forming his new political party, the Maibuye Party, so many people are actually expecting Dalimpofu to join Floyd Shivambu at this Maibuye consultation team. One of the posts that I've been seeing on social media is that after Floyd Shivambu launches his party, everybody should just brace themselves, for Talimpofo's departure from MK and following a Floyd. It turns out, that Talimpofu has made these kinds of moves before, by silently pretending as if everything is okay, but then from nowhere, just announcing the departure and that he is leaving and going to join another party. So if I'm to give a rating, out of 10, like how much do I expect Dalimpofu to move away from MK? I would give it, I think, a solid 7 out of 10. That Dalimpofu would definitely leave MK and go to Maibuye, because at MK everything is crumbling down, and Dalimpofu would definitely wait till Maibuye is been officially been opened, and once MK continues crumbling, then the Limpopo would definitely move ship to Maibuye. I'll catch you guys on the next one.